I'm Sarah Beth in the Urban Accents Kitchen, and I am here to show you our new plant-powered meatless mixes. Whether you're looking to eat a little healthier or maybe reduce your environmental impact, more and more of you are looking for meatless meal options. So your culinary wingman is here to show you how to make it easy and delicious. Each of our plant-based mixes is made with protein from soybeans, and one pouch replaces 1 pound of ground meat in some of your favorite go-to recipes. The process is simple. Pour the pre-seasoned mix into a bowl, stir in 1 cup of hot water, and then set it aside for about 5 minutes while the mixture rehydrates. Let's make our sweet black garlic Korean lettuce wraps. Our mixture is fully hydrated and ready to go. While that hydrated, I prepped some of these ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 1 onion sliced, a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and the entire package of rehydrated mix. I have a skillet heating over medium-high heat, and I'm gonna add all 3 tablespoons of our cooking oil. Then add our sliced onion. We're gonna saute these onions until they are softened and translucent, about 4 or 5 minutes. And they are beginning to brown really nicely, so it's time for our hydrated mixture to go into the skillet. When it hits the heat, you really get those tangy, sweet black garlic aromas. We're gonna stir this up and saute it till it's really nicely browned. It's been about 6 minutes. Our mixture is really nicely browned, and it's time to add in our 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I'm gonna stir this quickly to make sure that it gets incorporated fully. And we're gonna saute it for maybe 1 more minute and then remove it from the heat and serve it. This smells so good. I cannot wait to make our Korean barbecue lettuce wrap. I'm gonna start with a piece of Bib lettuce, and I'm gonna fill it with some of our delicious black garlic filling. Some fresh toppings. We like these matchstick carrots, green onion, and then, of course, my favorite, a few little cilantro leaves. Oh, it's so good. The black garlic is right there, but then also it's in perfect harmony with this toasted sesame flavor. It's a little sweet. That caramelized onion and the soy sauce makes it a little salty. Oh, it's bold and terrific. If you loved our Korean barbecue lettuce wraps, you should check out the rest of our meatless mixes. For recipes and more, go to urbanaccents.com. We've got your back in the kitchen. It's so good.
I don't know, I feel like that's perfect.
It's so good. It's really good.
I'm not deserving.
It's really good. This is the best one.